Are you having trouble getting your mojo back lately? Maybe the batteries are feeling a little low in areas of life and business right now. You know, there's a ripple effect in life. And when we get out of sync in one area, we get out of sync in other areas. Here's a question. What has COVID-19 shown you about you and your business? You know, COVID-19 threw most of us out of sync overall. We all had to change step in some way. Money flow changed, time flow definitely changed. Our energy levels went into flux with those changes. Our environments definitely changed. I mean, going into shelter in place caused us to work differently and use technology differently, and some of us are not going back to the office. We're going to continue working from home. COVID-19 also revealed the places in life and business that really need attention and deserve it. You know, this is an opportunity to hit reset on your life and your business so that you can get in relationship with your time, with your money, and your energy to get the results that you really want in life and business. 0 to 60 is offering you the opportunity to reimagine and recreate your business and your life beginning June 26th. For 6 weeks, we will work with you virtually to take leadership, which, by the way, leadership is nothing more than being in relationship with. And we're going to help you take leadership in your time, your money, your environments, and your energy flow. You want to find flow in your time, regain hours, if not a day, back into your work week. Now look, when you're not in relationship with time, you're not living in the present moment, and that is costly. We also want to help you remove the roadblocks to cash flow and develop a new relationship with money. Recreating your business is what most of us want to do right now, and we're forced to do. And we can get this done with ease in this 6-week virtual workshop that, by the way, includes horses. Yes, you heard me right. We're offering equine-assisted coaching from the comfort of your home or office. The world looks different now. Are you ready to find your new normal that's energizing and exciting? If the answer is yes, I invite you to join myself, Dr. Deborah Cox, Liz Letson, and Katie Stankiewicz for a powerful, life-changing virtual 6 weeks beginning June 26th. You can learn more at www.48hour Money Breakthrough, and that's the numbers 4 and 8, 48hourmoneybreakthrough.com. All right, if you have questions, feel free to reach out, and we look forward to seeing you as we all continue to find our new normal, reimagining and recreating life and business moving forward. See you soon.